Yo, you guys, so today we got this Android 14 tablet, which is not from a big brand, but still I thought it might not hurt if I have a look at this one as well, because I'm always looking for these cheaper versions of tablets instead of the big ones that are out there, because I like to have some in my classroom, and since school doesn't buy us any for the classroom, only for the whole school, I once in a while pick one of these cheaper pads up, and then I have them in my own classroom, and then I can give them out when my students are supposed to research something. And that makes it much easier because we don't have to swap rooms in the computer room and all that. So yeah, let's remove this wrapping here or screen protection and then have a look. It looks like a pretty normal tablet. We got a nice white finish on the bottom, then SD card slot, USB-C charge in, there's the HDMI, then power and volume control. Top, nothing much. We got a front and a back camera, so let's boot that thing up. Have a look how the colors look and all. Fancy day, okay. It's gonna be my fancy day today. But let's see what we actually are getting here. We probably have to set up really quick though. Oh man, here comes a fancy day. Okay, that's fine with us. But I want to see how everything else looks, so let's go on and see if it's gonna be a fancy day. We're gonna rush through here. Hello. Okay, got it. No setup right now. We're just gonna skip right through. Yup, sure. That's the date. Obviously not, but whatever. Then we got the Google services. Sure, Google can track everything we do in this video. I don't care. And we don't need a pin right now. And now it should boot up. It's getting ready. Fancy day. Okay, and here we go. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. The colors are vibrant. Yeah, so as you see, this is your typical Android powered device here. Everything looks really similar to whatever you expect from your Android. We got YouTube and all that, it's good. Okay, wow, okay, it's spamming up with all the features it has. Okay, this is an interesting way to split the screen. I don't know if that's particular for 14 or not. I haven't seen it that way yet. Mm. So we got the shortcuts and the notification bar. More brightness, okay, it's pretty bright, not gonna lie. Let's go into the settings and see what we have here for storage and all. About the tablet. Let's see. Hello. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, Android 14 is on here. At least it says so in the settings. Well, but otherwise, I mean, not bad. Let's look at the system. Can we find the storage fast? If it takes too long, I won't look for it, but oh yeah, there we go. Okay, 1.8 gig are taken. So quite a bit already, considering the fact there's not a lot of save space on here. But you can add a SD card and all. And for researching and all that for class, that's gonna be more than enough. Um, yeah, otherwise it goes smoothly. You can customize the wallpapers and all that. You know how Android works that way. There's nothing pre-installed apparently, so whatever. Let's head back here. Um, Wait, now I'm back in the settings. Are there any here? Oh yeah, there's like a little bit. We can figure out how we want our tablet to look like. But yeah, I would say that's completely um, up to anyone to figure that out themselves, what they prefer. I just have to say the brightness looks great. I like the colors on here, and it goes all pretty smoothly, and I can't really complain at all about this tablet. And I'm sure it's gonna help my students for sure in class. I will have to see if I can actually lock some stuff, because otherwise they're gonna do some odd stuff once in a while. After all, they're kids, but that's not important for this review. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and I will say we will see each other next video. Better and out.